Now, before we start today's video, I just would like to say a quick thank you to all of you out there. As of the time of this filming, the channel has hit 600 subscribers. And that is mind-blowing to me, considering that I started this a year ago as a hobby. It seems like you guys are very interested in what I'm saying. So again, thank you so much. Now, on to the unboxing. I've always been interested in a really nice keyboard. Now, the current keyboard I have, which is this Dell Bluetooth keyboard, it's okay. You know, it works, it does what it needs to do. I can type both for work and for editing on the channel. It's not terribly bad at all. But I've always been really interested in these customizable keyboards that I see everybody having. So, in August of 2021, I went on Kickstarter and I found this, the MelGeek Mojo68 keyboard. So I went ahead and funded the Kickstarter, and it only took 7 minutes for this entire campaign on Kickstarter to get completely funded. And throughout the months, I've been receiving updates from the company. And last night, out of curiosity, I decided to email them asking, where's my keyboard? I've seen a lot of notifications saying that you've shipped out keyboards, but where's mine? The response was rather quick, and they simply said, it's outside in your mailbox. So going outside, I picked it up, and here it is. So today we're going to unbox it and find out exactly what I ordered, because it's been so long that I can't remember. Okay, so here we have the box. This is exactly how I got it in the mail. We're gonna crack her open here. I'm really excited about this, as I was saying before. Like, I don't remember which version I purchased. I just remember I spent like $200 on this, I think it was. So, excited to see what I actually got. This box, by the way, is pretty substantial. I mean, it's got a lot of weight to it. All right. Open her up. Ooh. Keyboard here. Just, there we go. It looks like some stickers and order form. Let's get all that junk out of the way. There we go. Now, I always like to take this very gingerly. Box is really nice. Ooh, apparently I got the blue version. Let's see. A little wrapping, purple box, and then we have more security stickers. There we go. Maybe I didn't get the blue version. Or maybe that's just what they call the keys. I'm not really sure. It's, like I said, it's been quite some time. Oh, this is substantial. This has got a lot of heft to it. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. So I got the kind of the yellowish clear one. The gray keys. Oh man, this, listen to this. This is really pretty. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Instruction manual. Gives you anything from switching it on, and this has a USB dongle. We'll connect via USB cable, and we'll use Bluetooth. We have indicator lights to let you know certain things. And you can pair this up with 8 devices. That's what I'm really excited about. I can pair this thing up to 8 different devices, so I can actually carry this with me places and use this without worrying about having to be in my workspace. Just slowly. And the edge here. That off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's see if it came with a charge at all. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. You can see indicator lights here. That must be Bluetooth mode. We'll pair that up later. We got one more thing in here. Ah, yes. This is the key puller, so I can pull different keys off. We've got a USB cable, USB-C, which will allow it to charge. And I like the fact that it's turned sideways so that it's able to be routed properly. And then we have a handful of custom keys. This little fella here. Oh, this is our USB dongle. It's pretty swank. So I'm going to get this set up and I'll be right back. The one thing I wanted to show you, because I was curious about it myself, I wanted to show you how well I can type on this just straight out of the box. So not terribly bad. I will have to get used to it. It's quite a nice thing to get used to. The keys feel substantial, and there's a lot of movement on the keys. And like I said before, the keyboard itself, it's got a nice heft to it, and it's a really good quality. I really like it. So there's a way to customize this keyboard, and that's by using this KB Tools download, which you can get from melgeek.com. I will have a link in the description. But you basically just download this program here. Unzip it. It's a piece of paper that I got inside the box. It was thanking me for my support and giving me instructions on how to get the different programs to work with the keyboard. Also Discord and their official website. So what it looks like here is we have the ability to change all of these, and you can program different keys here to pair up to different devices, because you can pair it up to 8 different devices. So if I can program my 8 different shortcut buttons here and just basically click between them and just pick up the keyboard and move on. That's pretty cool. You can set mail up. And to do all this, it has to be plugged in, it looks like. Which is interesting because it didn't sound like it needed to be plugged in. So let's plug it in and see what happens. There. Oh, there we go. Let's change the color and see what happens. Ooh. Neat. You change all kinds of things. Super cool. Oh, that's neat. Completely programmable to do a lot of things. That's awesome. Oh, and you can even update the firmware, and that's pretty cool. So that's just a really quick unboxing to show you what the possibilities are with this MailGeek Mojo68 keyboard. I will have a better review later on after I've been able to use it for a little while. That's my unboxing of the Mojo68 keyboard by MailGeek. Now, I'm sorry if it seemed a little rushed, but I was just super excited to get it out of the box and get it up and running. The instructions are clear about what I need to do, so I can go in and program it. I've got at least 2 different laptops to program it to, and then tomorrow, thanks to English Day in Reviews, I'll have a tablet to pair it to. So look forward to a full review on this soon. And before I leave, I just wanted to thank each and every one of you, because the channel has now hit 600 subscribers. I greatly appreciate that. Please, 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 and if you like my channel, please share it with your friends and have them subscribe. The more subscribers I get, the more videos I can make. So this has been another video from Reviews for Nerds. My name is Bryant. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.